So you're thinking of moving to Midlothian, Texas? Well, we're here today at Bridgewater. This is a brand new master plan community between Highland Homes, American Legend, Perry, J. Houston, and we're here at the Perry Homes and Tri-Point Homes. Don't want to forget them. They're on the other side of the neighborhood. But we're here at the Perry model home. This is their 2994 floor plan, which is named after the square footage, which makes it easy to remember. It's just shy of like 3,000 square feet. But before we go take a look inside, let me tell you a little bit more about Bridgewater. So Bridgewater is right on the south side of Midlothian. It's right over next to High Lake, I believe, or Highland Lake, something like that. But it's just right over there, and this community is awesome. So we can, if we take a look around, there's like a ton of like lots and stuff they're still building on. It's very early in development, but they are actually still selling houses right now. They're going to have all sorts of amenities. So this place is going to have a pavilion with a fire pit. It's going to have like covered picnic areas. They're going to have green spaces, trails, parks, multiple resort style pools and amenity centers. They're pulling out all the stops for this one. They're really just going toe to toe with some of these big name builders, and everyone's trying to show each other up, which is great because that means you guys are getting the best these guys have to offer. So let's go take a look at what Perry has in this video. Alright guys, like I said, we're here inside the Perry 2994, just shy of 3,000 square feet. This is going to be a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. It does come with a 3-car garage. Right now they have it outfitted for the builder's rep, so it's an office space right now, but you will get that extra parking space for your vehicles if you go with a floor plan like this. But immediately to your left as you walk in, which is going to be your right in the video, you've got a hallway which leads into the secondary bedrooms. These share a Jack and Jill bathroom, so walking through here, these are a good sized bedrooms. These are maybe like 11 by 10, so they're a little bit more on the small side compared to some of the other builders here, but they're really nice because you got these vaulted high ceilings. You still get the big windows, and I know black trim is coming in with a lot of these luxury style houses and everything, so you do get the black trim windows as well if that's your thing. Continuing on, we got the I guess the Jack part of the Jack and Jill. We've got single vanity, extra cabinet space or counter space and cabinetry. Your closet's going to be over here behind the door to the actual restroom area. And this is segmented, so if somebody's showering or whatever, it doesn't keep the other person from being able to use the restroom or use the sink area to get ready in the morning. You get this cool geometric tile pattern and everything like that they got going on in the bathroom area. But continuing on to the Jill half, more of the same setup. You get the single vanity, extra counter space, continuing on into the other bedroom. So this is at the end of the hallway we just came in through. You get good sized closet. It's not in the bathroom like the other one is, but this is again a maybe 11 by 10 with the vaulted ceilings and everything. Nice big window in the far side, so you get plenty of natural lighting. But coming back through this hallway here, you get your linen closet here, accompanied by a coat closet right next to the entryway. And coming down the foyer, we have this nice oversized high ceiling entry hallway and everything. It makes everything feel really grand, open, airy. It doesn't feel cramped or anything like some of these entry hallways that are really dark and everything. But over here to my left, you've got the mud area. So you've got the bench here. This is going to be a linen closet, and typically your garage door would probably be here on this wall. So you would walk in here, be able to take your shoes and everything off here. You got your laundry and everything. Maybe your clothes got dirty while you were outside, just toss them in there. You get some good overhead storage and everything as well. But across the hall here, we have another linen closet, followed by a full bath over here. And I really like the way they did this black trim glass shower wall and everything. You also get plenty of counter space, or counter space on your vanity there, overhead lighting and all that. And then we have an oversized secondary bedroom in here. This is a full-size bed with a couple oversized nightstands on either side, and you still get plenty of space between the walls. You could probably easily fit a queen or even a king in here if you want. It wouldn't feel cramped or anything, but it would make a nice guest bedroom. It does have a little closet here, not a walk-in or anything. It's just like open it up, throw your stuff in there kind. All right guys, so behind me here we actually have the kitchen and living area, and as you can see, it's lovely. This nice bright color scheme and everything, giant windows letting in all that lighting. You get these nice high ceiling. This is probably like I don't know, maybe 12, 13 feet, and it's maybe just like a foot or two shorter in the kitchen, but it's still very high ceiling, so it gives you that sense of grandness. And I will say, almost all of this is standard. There's only two notable things, and one of them is this wine cabinet and everything like this. This is considered an upgrade, but the rest of the stuff in the kitchen and all is standard. So you do get the island with this lovely marble looking countertop. You get the cabinets on the side here, as well as under the seats and on the front. That's a standard feature whenever you buy with Perry Homes, which is really cool. A lot of builders don't offer stuff like that. But on top of that, you get these brass accents, you get these nice bright colors and everything. Everything's just high quality. It feels great. It's like good quality material as well. Plenty of counter space. And even behind me over here, we get the dining area. Dining area, breakfast nook, whatever you want to call it, but windows all around. Like, this is lovely. Imagine eating breakfast, you got the sunshine coming in like this, nice and bright and homey, feels great. And then behind me we got the living room area. I will point out one more upgrade over here, the fireplace, oddly enough. So fireplace with Perry is an add-on. A lot of people have stopped buying fireplaces because it's Texas. It was like 113 degrees this summer. I don't want to stoke a fire whenever it's already almost 120 degrees outside. So a lot of people will say no to that. That's not anything extra to get rid of that if you don't want the fireplace. Maybe you just want to hang up an extra big TV on the wall. So these guys can accommodate. But let's go take a look at this corner over here, because this is where the master is. So walking into the master, you can see this place is huge. You've got a king size bed over here with elbow room on either side of those oversized nightstands. They've got like a dresser over here on the wall, and it feels like you could still put a whole seating area here in the middle and it not feel cramped at all. You also get these really high vaulted ceilings with the decorative cross beam and everything. Nice big windows letting in all that natural light, and a good oversized double doorway here for the master bathroom, which this is really cool. It's like a centerpiece setup where you get a sitting tub, you get this big glass panel for the shower in the back there, and then the doorway that you guys actually came in from separates the two vanities. So you get a his and her vanities, one on either side of the doorway here, and they're both good size. So you get a good size sink with plenty of counter space on either side, as well as cabinetry for both sides. So you got plenty of storage for your hair dryers, towels, whatever, what have you. Over here though, we're gonna take a look at this real quick. You do get a linen closet tucked away here on the side of the shower, and then you get these nice walk-in closets. These aren't huge or anything like that, but they are his and hers. So there's one on this side and a slightly larger one on the other side. So maybe one of you guys has a couple more jackets than the other. Oh, here's the glass door into the shower as well. Love the brass accents. They really stick out on that white tiling and everything. But here's the other walk-in closet. They've got the security system and everything set up over here out of the way, so it's not like an eyesore in the middle of the hallway or anything like that. But lastly, let's go take a look at the outside, because they got a really cool fire pit set up. Guys, one last thing before we head outside. I almost forgot this, but Perry Homes, this is one of their signature things with a lot of their floor plans. They've got this big game room adjacent to the living room area. This is huge. This is like 15 plus feet deep, maybe 11 feet across. So this is like the size of like a good sized bedroom, and it's just set aside. A lot of people may turn this into an office or stuff. I know work from home is still a really big thing, but I'm like the inspiration for this pool table. Set this thing up for some guests. Bring over the boys. Anyway, let's go outside real quick. Alright guys, so now we're in the backyard. It's this lovely enclosed, almost like this covered patio area that they got going on here, just beyond these big windows that you saw earlier, letting in all that extra natural light. As you can see, this seating area is actually really big. They got like a full set with like an oversized coffee table and everything set up here. So you get tons of space if you want to set up like an outdoor area or anything like that. And just beyond it, they do have like this little cover, or this little uncovered patio area over here with the natural stones. Really brings everything out. I believe that's just something they did for the model, but I'm a big fan of that kind of aesthetic. Anyway, so if you guys are really interested in stuff like this, we want to know what you guys loved about this house, what you would have put in your house if you were going to build here. So go ahead and jump down in the comments. Let us know what you guys think, what you guys thought was awesome, what you didn't think was awesome, whatever. We just want to hear from you guys, because your engagement, you guys reaching out to us and stuff like that is what allows us to keep doing what we're doing here in this channel. By working with us, you guys allow us to keep doing this kind of thing, and we love doing it. So please, by all means, reach out. But other than that, If this is something you're interested in, let us know. And as always, if you're looking to buy or sell, remember to keep calm. Call Tom.